When I was 13, and 13's a pretty shitty age, yeah, I was waiting for my dad to pick me up. It was a Friday afternoon, and he just doesn't arrive, just doesn't show up. We go into my teacher's office and we call his work. Nothing at home, and half an hour goes by. Nobody at school but us. Me and my teacher, sitting on the curb waiting for my dad. Finally, he said he can take me home if I'd like. He drove this Peugeot, kind of a cream-coloured Peugeot. And he had this woman playing on the tape player, real soft and painful. And he says, "She's all I ever listened to." And then, "You sort of remind me of her, you know. You're always a little bit sad. Smiling, but sad. I like that." And what does that mean? You don't say stuff like that to a 13-year-old. You just don't. Otherwise, she'll be yours for life. I mean it. Not in front of my house, but down from it. He pulls over. There's a flower shop, and he parks outside it. He kissed me. Jesus, he kissed me like as if it was when it was first invented, with all the myths and shit, when men were heroes and you could be kissed like that. We started seeing each other. Well, you know, as much as a junior high school teacher and a 13-year-old could see each other. I know what you must be thinking, that it was all my own fault, or he was some type of molester or something. But you wouldn't be true about that. We just like to kiss and little hug and stuff. That's what we like to do.